Hello everybody. Today we are going to see in this video the use of simple present. This is Miss Gladys Machado. First of all, we are going to see that the present simple is used when we want to talk about routine or facts. In those cases, we have to remember that in simple present we need the auxiliary do and does. Do is for the subjects I, you, we, you, they, and does is for the third person he, she, and it. And we only use the auxiliaries do and does when we make questions on negative sentences. Let's see. So an action that is considered a routine. For example, when you have lunch. It's an activity that you do every day. And in facts, for example, we have the earth moves. That is something real. It's not fiction. Here, we are going to see some other things about routine and facts. Let's see the routines first. As you can see here, a little girl is having lunch. Here, a group of boys are practicing some exercises. In this case, it's running. Here we have someone that cleans the house. So these three are activities that they do every day. Now, talking about facts, here we have a picture of a car, and we can see, according to the picture, that it expresses that cars uses gasoline or petrol. That is true. In the second picture, we see the moon. And you know that the moon is a satellite of the Earth. And that is true, too. And finally, we have a picture of the sun. And the sun is considered a star. And we can see it in the sky. And that is true. Present simple is used in affirmative, as you can see here, in affirmative sentences. And we have to consider that only the third person, which is he, she, and it, the verb in affirmative form has s or es. When we make interrogative sentences, we have to use the auxiliary do and does. Does is for he, she, and it, the third person, and the verb doesn't have an s, okay? And now we are going to see the negative form. In the negative form, we also use the auxiliary again, but with the word not. Does not, he does not, she does not, it does not. Again with the third person. But the verb, remember, when does, the auxiliary, is in the sentence, you never put s or es to the verb. Now, we are going to see the short affirmative answers. Yes, I do. Yes, you do. Yes, he does. Yes, she does. Yes, it does. Yes, we do. Yes, you do. Yes, they do. And then we have the short negative answer, which, as you can see, is formed with the subject and the auxiliary in negative form. Remember that after yes or no, we have to put a comma. No, I don't. No, you don't. No, he doesn't. No, she doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, we don't. No, you don't. No, they don't.
Wake up. Get up. Have breakfast. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Comb my hair. Get dressed. Make the bed. Go to school. Arrive at school.
Thank you very much. I hope that everything was clear. Here you have my email, latemafile@hotmail.com. Bye-bye.